I've got my G, W, Y, R, C for common. I'm going to jump out, because right now this is an AC issue. I'm going to jump R and Y. Low voltage power, which is R, through here into Y. And you can see I'm blinking right here on the control board. Now, it's in a delay, and that's fine. You've got the blinks here. Basically got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blinks, 6 flashes, compressor delay. Okay, what I do want to show you guys is right here. If I test between here, I've got 240, all right? 240. That's right at the bottom of my contactor where my high voltage is coming in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my leads up here on this side of it, and I'm going to push this plunger in. I've got 240 now. Power is passing through, or passing through this contactor, is passing through on one side, and this plunger, which has a little bar right here, little piece of brass where that power is going to pass through. Actually, what happened before is that was not occurring. So I was over here testing this, pushing this in, and getting nothing out of the top. So it's an intermittent failure, which is exactly what the homeowners described, is that sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.